Hello everyone and welcome to the Instant Product Event. From day one, we have set out the goal to become the best page builder in the industry. And I think we've done a pretty good job thus far. But today we're going beyond the designing of your entire store. It's a total new chapter and we're excited to share the updates with you today. Before diving into this exciting new chapter, let's look at a few highlights since our last product event. We have reimagined how you work with Shopify content using AI. The textiles have been extended and can be customized for all viewports. You can add your payment icons to your layouts in one click. We centralized our app integrations and added many new widgets. We've added more controls and feedback to the publishing flow, and your projects now have a new home directly within the builder. We have worked on these features to make Instant the place where you can design and build your entire store, product pages, landing pages, and so much more. But we've also built these features because this is laying the foundation for the next chapter of Instant. Besides becoming the platform where you can design and build your entire store, the next step with Instant is that you can grow revenue and optimize your store. Now over to Sam for the first feature.
Said I'm taking big shots, just stop where I'm driven, no pit stops. This hot, I ain't playing like a 6 spot. Pissed off, thought I told him this a chip shot. I ain't missing cause you know I'm taking big shots. Just stop where I'm driven, no pit stops. This hot, I ain't playing like a 6 spot. Pissed off, thought I told him this a chip shot. I ain't missing cause you know I'm taking big shots. They been trying to get me cheap like a thrift shop, but I told them it's my time, shit a wristwatch. They been talking way before they even doing something. Whoa. If they wanna play, let's get a tip off. Ain't no silver lining, dawg, this some rose gold. Getting new money, I'm a old soul. Yeah, I get it bouncing like a pogo. Whoa. And I'm too cold like...
With Instant, you can now build cards your way. Beautiful, custom, and perfectly on brand. And every feature you may expect from a card is there. From reward bars, to payment icons, to filled and empty states, recommended products, countdowns, you name it. And of course, in combination with the power of our visual canvas, which means true customizability. Let's not waste any more time and dive right into how you can create a custom card drawer for your store. The easiest way to get started is by picking a template and customizing it. And we have created a wide variety of cards to choose from. Let's select this template right here. We can see a card with a filled state that contains a reward bar, product recommendations, and of course the products that you have in your cart. The empty state of this card includes a CTA and helpful navigation elements that guide customers to different product categories to explore. And everything you see can be customized, from how the card appears with different animations to the colors and even details like the border radius of the progress bar. The possibilities are endless. Besides choosing a template as your starting point, you can also skip the template library and build your card completely from scratch. The starting point has a basic header, footer, and product overview. Within the insert panel under Elements and Card, we can find all the new card elements that will enable us to turn this starting point into the exact card we want. The header and footer, product items, product upsells, the card reward bar, card add-on, card countdown, and payment icons. Let's go over all the different card elements and start with dragging in the product upsell element into our cart. This element is a product slider that showcases related products or a collection of products. It's a great way to encourage customers to discover more items and increase their average order value. Next up is the card reward bar. With it, you can set a threshold based on card value that unlocks a reward. For example, offering free shipping when the total order goes above $50. Once the threshold is met, you have full control over the active state of the reward bar, allowing you to customize exactly what the bar looks like when the reward is unlocked. With the card add-on, customers can easily add extras like shipping protection to their order. In this case, look for the shipping protection product, which is a digital product you can easily create within Shopify, then connect it, and you're done. The cart countdown enables you to increase urgency by setting a time at which the cart will expire. You can determine whether the countdown resets each time someone adds or removes a product from the cart. And last but not least are payment icons, which will be dynamically pulled from your Shopify store. The cart you built in Instant works as a standalone layout type, so you don't have to build anything else to use the cart drawer in your Shopify store. But of course, you can now combine your Instant navigation with your Instant cart to create the perfect on-brand and seamless experience. To publish the cart, you simply click on Publish within the builder. When the cart is published, you can then open its settings and click on Set as Main Cart. When we head over to Shopify, we can now see the cart in action. If we add a product to the cart, you can see that the cart drawer opens. And when we click on the cart icon in the header, the cart drawer we have built with an Instant also opens. And that's it for Cart. It's available on the Pro plan as of today, and there are no limitations on orders, there's no revenue share or any other weird limitation. We can't wait to see all the beautiful carts you will build, and maybe even more important, all the additional revenue it will help you generate. But that's not the end of this story. Building your cart is only half the work. The other part is being able to track its performance and optimizing it. With Cart Analytics, you get insight into how shoppers interact with the cart, so you can make every decision based on data and with confidence. From revenue performance to conversion rate, it's all there, so let's take a closer look. Below the overview of our project, we can see a new tab called Analytics. For now, this is the place where you can see all your cart analytics. In the main view, we have all the important cart metrics, and you can see how they perform over different time periods. We can get insights into cart revenue, add-on revenue, cart conversion rate, and more. There are a couple of time presets we can use to get insights into the performance of our cart. We can also pick our own date range and then compare it to, for example, the previous period. Below the main view, we can find 3 core metrics: average order value, add-on revenue, which are the additional sales from any product that has been added within the cart, and we can see the total amount of orders. Last but not least, you can track the entire funnel, from cart drawer opens to the checkout reached and to the final step, checkout completed, and see how customers move through each step. This enables you to spot where shoppers drop off, which will help you decide how to adjust your cart to boost conversions. With Cart Analytics, you get the data you need to make decisions, track the performance of your cart, and iterate and improve your conversion rate. And now it's time to announce one more thing. Very soon, we will be releasing a feature that will allow you to do even more right within Instant.
Yes, it's coming. Soon you'll be able to run A/B tests right within Instant. Think about testing offers, landing pages, and so much more. With Instant, A/B testing is becoming what it always should have been. Easy, accessible, right into the canvas. the canvas where you are designing and growing your store. Our AI will help you set up A/B testing experiments in seconds. It will suggest you what to test, and it will show you the winning variants before you know it. It's super easy, no plugins, no hassle, just results. Keep an eye out on our socials for the release date. And that's it for the third live product event. Q4 is here, and we know this is the most important quarter for most of you. And with these new features, we are hoping that you can do your best quarter just yet. And we really believe in building something you love, so we build everything with our merchants, agencies, and experts in mind. We hope that these features will unlock new opportunities for your store, but also that you're able to sell new services to your clients. That's it for the product event, and see you very soon.